Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll solve the following differential equation: y prime plus 2x times y is equal to minus x power 9 y to the power 5 with the initial value condition y of minus 1 is equal to 2. So note that this is a Bernoulli's differential equation because of this extra term y to the power 5. Now to solve Bernoulli's equation, we know that we need to divide this extra term to the both sides of this equation. So by dividing by y to the power 5, we get y to the power minus 5 y prime plus 2yx times y to the power minus 4 is equal to minus x to the power 9. And then we need to substitute this term with a new variable. So we put y power minus 4 is equal to u. So we get minus 4 y power minus 5 y prime is equal to u prime. So we have y power minus 5 y prime is equal to minus 1 by 4 times u prime. So by substituting, we get minus 1 by 4 u prime plus 2 by x u is minus x to the 1 9. So by simplifying, we get u prime minus 8 by x u is equal to x to the 1 9. So note that we convert the Bernoulli's equation into a first order linear ODE. Now we know first order linear ODE has the following form: u prime plus px times u is equal to qx. So by comparing, we get px is nothing but minus 8 by x. Now we know the integrating factor for the first order linear equation is given by e to the power integral px dx. So what is px is nothing but minus 8 by x. So by doing the integration, we have e power minus 8 ln x, and minus 8 ln x we can write it as ln x power minus 8, which is nothing but x to the power minus 8. Now multiplying by integrating factor x to the minus 8 to the both sides of this equation number 1, we get d dx of u times x to the power minus r is equal to x9 into x to the power minus r. It is x. So we have u x to the power minus 8 is but integral x dx, which is nothing but x squared by 2 plus c. So what is u? U is nothing but x to the power 10 by 2 plus c times x to the power 8. And what we substitute by u is y to the power minus 4. So we have the general solution: y to the power minus 4 is equal to x to the power 10 by 2 plus c times x to the power 8. Now we have initial value condition: y of minus 1 is equal to 2. So y of minus 1 is equal to 2 gives, so 2 to the power minus 4 is equal to minus 1 to the power 10 by 2 plus c times 1, which is 1 by 2 plus c, and this is nothing but 1 by 16. So c is 1 by 16 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but minus 7 by 16. So we have the required solution, which is the 1 minus 4 is equal to x 10 by 2 minus 7 by 16 x to the power 8.